Welcome to Mequon Nature Preserve. It may be January, but remembering back to fall when it was nice and warm. We can do that when we're in January. Today we're gonna look back at fall colors and head into the woods and, well, climb up a small tower in nature and take the beauty from a little bit on top. As you can tell, the sun is not that high, so we took the hike a little earlier than normal. So we're going to actually take a shortcut through the woods instead of around the woods. So let's go take a hike through the woods, enjoy some fall color. This post will tell you what pond is coming up. You can pause it, try to take a closer look. But hey, we're going to take a hike up to, well, this small, lovely pond in the woods. And there's the pond. Let's go back to the hike so we can go up that tower. And there's some few benches if you want to sit down for a little bit or bring a picnic in. Either or. Enjoy some time in nature while you have it. Let's cross this lovely little boarded walk as we exit this lovely part of the woods. As we get closer to the lovely tower, which will be on the right side. There's the small tower we're gonna climb up. So bear with me. Let's go up for a hike.
Hi everybody, just me. Now it's time to walk up this lovely tower. So bear with me as we decide to climb up. So we gotta check the view from the top. Yep, we're going up to see what the fall colors are like. Yep, you can see some of them. And yes, they have another pond here. It's not this huge of a tower, as we are actually on the top already. And the fall colors are just beautiful in late October. There's many hiking trails here if you really want to come check them all out. And if you want to view the viewing power, you might be able to see Milwaukee from here. Just another view of the colors. Just me checking in again. The fall colors are beautiful around here as we approach the very end of October on this nice crisp morning. Still beautiful to get outside and take hikes. Gotta enjoy the weather while we can. Just enjoying the beautiful colors as they come in, as this end of October comes running through. Hard to believe we got this much color this late in the season. And you guys have a good rest of the day. As you can see, I am down from the tower, heading into the woods. Such beautiful color out here today on this nice, beautiful fall day, which just happens to be my second favorite season. I am not much of a winter person, but hey, we still have to brace winter no matter what. Winter just reminds us to enjoy the time and be still, and to remind ourselves that spring is right around the corner. And there's another pond in here. We'll go over to this side and take a hike out this direction. Little breeze in here, but it's actually not too bad. As you can hear geese in the distance. As you can tell, the farmers are still working on their farm. Looks like they're planting trees on this side. Let's see what's actually over here. Looks like a small sit-down shelter if you want to sit and enjoy the view and take a break from actually taking a hike around here. Kind of nice to do that. Looks like they recently built that, because it was not here the last time I was here. Because as of right now, we are actually taking a hike around the woods. Because this trail actually leads back to the tower. This actually gives you some type of information about here and where you are. It looks like they possibly could be expanding the trails over here. So it'll be kind of neat to see what happens around here in the near future. Looks like you can take a trail off to the side right there instead of going back to the tower. Kind of interesting. I've actually never taken this portion of the trail before. Sometimes you just need to take a trail that you've never taken before. Looks like some tree and plant information. Kind of neat. Some days just require us wander around on a trail that we actually never done before. Like this one. Even though I've been here before, I've just never been on this portion of the trail before. Huh. Kind of cool. Coming across a boardwalk here. Kind of cool, kind of some interesting information about when they did it and who did it. Because it looks like it could get a little swampy back here, especially in spring when the snow melts. Kind of neat back here. Looks like you can actually have a picnic if you want to. On nice warm days. Another bridge to cross. And then more information about what you can see back here. Because it looks like there is a pond back here. So it looks like you could see wildlife back here. Especially during like the summer warm months. And it looks like you could see more frogs back here, but maybe not so much at the moment because, well, it is that time of year where there's birds flying down south and stuff during for the winter. And it looks like we're about to enter another set of woods back here, which I've never done before. Time to venture back into the woods. Looks like they have a couple different trails. If you're don't feel like going in, well, it's wow, pretty back here. Even though it looks very similar to the last one, I'm still always impressed. The many times I've actually been here, I've actually never ventured back this far. Some days it's worth more while to actually venture off and see where it takes you. Kinda neat back here. See, there's some power lines to walk you through. But it is time for me to head back and enjoy the rest of my hike. Just embracing the nice fall colors while I'm going back to my car. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day.